In this video, I want to show you how to enable, how to turn on and off data usage, so you don't only rely on Wi-Fi for your internet, and also how to turn on and off roaming on your phone. So let's get started. Drag down from the top right corner, select the settings icon. Over here, you're going to select connections and then data usage. So if I go down, we're going to have mobile data. So if you turn this on and off, okay, let's say I turn it on and you don't have any Wi-Fi connections around you, well, it will start using your data, your mobile data that comes from your carrier. Now over here on the top, you can see how much data you have used. If you go back, you also have mobile networks. Tap on this. And from here, you can turn data roaming on and off. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.